Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while, but I've been a little bit sick, so please bear with me. And I just want to say happy holidays to everybody, and for those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you. And if it's your first time watching this video or this channel, I'm glad you're here. My name's Belinda, this is Benailed. And today I thought we'd do an overlay, since they are one of the most important things to learn on a hand. So we are going to use my practice hand here. I call her hand Arella. Get it? It'll be, because and she's getting nailed. Get it? Be nailed. I know, it's not really that funny, but it's kind of a little bit funny. So we want this, when we prep it, we want to prep it as if it is a natural nail, like we are working on a client. So with that being said, we are going to push back the cuticles. Just like that. And then, of course, you can use your other end to pretend to scrape away all the... And then we are going to get our hand file. And we are going to put it to about 3,000 or 4,000 RPMs. I find that to be the most that you need to do for prep. And all you want to do, I do the hand over method because it makes it easier to move down. So I just want to go lightly at the cuticle. And then tickle it all the way through. And being sometimes that, you're working on a training hand, it's not the... Maybe I swap nails. Actually, yes, we'll do that. What we're going to... So we're going to put a bigger finger in the training hand. Okay, so do that again. So we're going to go around the cuticle area. And then we are going to tickle it all the way through. And that's all you really have to do, is tickle it all the way through. Of course, it's a little bit more on your practice hand. On a real hand, it is actually, it's not going to take that kind of pressure as such to get the same. So with that being done, we are then going to put our hand file up. We are going to wipe off the dust. We are then going to spray our alcohol, and we are going to use... I don't have the same brushes as what you would normally see, but I do use... Should have got it ready beforehand. So I use this little tool, and I put my little solution in this spray bottle, and we want to swipe down. Instead of going side to side, because then that sort of gets your dust into the sidewalls, and we don't want any dust in our sidewalls. So we have now wiped that off, and we are now going to put our Super Bond from NSI, And you want to, I start from around the middle, and then so I don't flub my cuticle, and I just work my way up and all over the natural nail. To me, it smells a bit like vinegar. I don't know why. I just think it has like, I just think they all have like a vinegar smell. Okay, so with that done, we then can get our monomer and our acrylic powder, which I think I will use today. Attraction. It's NSIX Conceal Attraction, and it has just a hint of shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that on my camera. That hint of shimmer there. Okay, so we're going to get our brush, which I am using the number 8 Kiara Sky brush, and I am videotaping this. So okay, so we're going to go into the powder and we're going to do bounce, bounce, bounce. I think that bead might be a little bit big, but we'll see. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to set it down right here, right at the cuticle area, right, and then we're going to push that in and upwards, and the other side, push up, and then that allows you to get closer to your cuticle without flooding your side walls. And then you just want to pat from side to side. And then pull down from the middle. And it's good because it gives you plenty of time. I'm using the Young Nails monomer to move. Okay, and then we're going to pick up our next bead. 1, 2, 3. Going to paste that just above there and work that into the closer to the cuticle. And then when you're happy, drag it down. Again with the other side, work it up as close but without flooding it, and then bring it down at the side. Then you just use the body of your brush. And as you can see, from side to side, you slowly, there will be a few bits that I need to come back and fix, but I don't think so. I think I wrapped it pretty tight around there. And then you wait for the pearl. And you drag it up. And you pull your finger up that way. And they should just blend in perfectly like that bead is. You shouldn't be able to see where one bead starts and another one finishes. They should all just blend in seamlessly together. And there you have, as you can see from one side, and then we want to turn it around and look at it from the client's profile. And as you can see here, where it tapers down and then up and then back down again. So as you can see from my brush, if I go like this, it goes up and then down again. And that's how you want your overlay to be. So I hope that helped, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share with your friends and get me to 100 subscribers before the end of the year. I know we can do this, and then there'll be a great giveaway. And with that being said, I hope to see you back with my next video. Love you all. Spirit fingers.